Hello, and welcome to our PDF Accessibility Workshop. We are the Digital Accessibility Resource Center, a new team at the university that is committed to ensuring that all digital content at the university is accessible in order to benefit students who face barriers due to disabilities. This workshop will focus on the following topics: Introduction to Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, understanding the Adobe Action Wizard Make Accessible feature, understanding the Adobe Accessibility Checker, making scanned documents accessible, and making existing documents accessible. By the end, you should be able to define what makes a PDF accessible, describe how to convert an MS Word document into an accessible PDF, identify the accessibility tools that can be used to fix your PDF, explain how to take an existing PDF document and make it accessible, and determine when to convert back to MS Word if the accessibility edits are too complex and labor-intensive to complete in Acrobat Pro. Acrobat Pro. As it stands, MS Word conversion to PDF is a work in progress. There is a known issue converting documents from Office 365 into PDF. When converting such documents, the proper document structure may not carry over. Thankfully, Adobe Acrobat has a plugin for MS Word, which grants users a one-click solution for converting Office documents to PDFs. It should be noted that this plugin is only available for users with Acrobat Pro DC. Furthermore, please be aware that Adobe Acrobat versions released prior to Pro 11 are ineffective when remediating accessibility. Unique challenges for Adobe Acrobat DC. Adobe Acrobat DC does not come equipped with an undo button. Thus, it is imperative that you save frequently, maintaining backups of your previous work. Also notable is that tags must be verified and frequently edited when converted to PDF via the Save As option in MS Word. This is not the case when using the plugin to convert to PDF. Otherwise, just keep in mind that Acrobat Pro is not always seamless. There are many anomalies that require patience and determination to resolve. If you ever find yourself with an aching question regarding your personal experience with the software, we recommend searching the Adobe forums. If you cannot find a previous post by somebody with your same problem, go ahead and start a thread. The Adobe forums can be accessed via forums.adobe.com/community/Acrobat. What makes a PDF accessible? When discussing accessible PDF documents, it is generally in reference to tagged PDFs. PDF tags provide hidden structure to PDF documents, dictating the reading order so that screen readers know where to start, where to finish, and everything in between. So ultimately, to be deemed accessible, a PDF must be able to be read intelligently by screen reader software, contain a logical reading order, have alternative text defined for all images in the document, contain descriptive links, have defined header rows for tabular data, and the text must be reflowable. That is, the text will always adjust to fit the screen of the reader without cutting anything out. PDF generation. There are two types of PDFs one can generate. These two types are native and scanned. A native PDF is a PDF which has been converted from an electronic document, for example, a Microsoft Word document to a PDF document, whereas a scanned PDF is a PDF which has been created by scanning a physical sheet of paper. Optical character recognition is the mechanical or electronic conversion of images of typed, handwritten, or printed text into machine-encoded text. For example, if you scan a physical, handwritten document into a PDF, the PDF will not classify any of the text as text, but as a single image. Because of this, screen reader technology will fail to read the scanned document. To remediate this, the text in the image must be converted to actual text with the Recognize Text option, which can be found in the Enhance Scans tool in Acrobat. This tool should automatically convert the text within the image. If, however, the OCR results are not satisfactory and you do not have access to an original text document, you may need to start over. Before formulating a plan for remediation, you must thoroughly inspect your document to determine what is and what is not accessible. If, upon inspection, your document contains complex accessibility issues which cannot be easily repaired in Acrobat, you should attempt to find the source document and make edits there. If the source document is unavailable, you may need to convert your PDF document into a Word document. Your first step in the remediation process is to turn on the Touch-Up Reading Order tool. With this tool, you should be able to check and correct structure tags as well as the reading order. With regards to the reading order, you may remediate it with the Touch-Up Reading tool, but it must be verified with the Reading Order tool in the thumbnail menu. Lastly, ensure that you are adding tags to empty elements wherever necessary. Tools. There are many built-in tools in Adobe Acrobat DC which will assist you in constructing an accessible document. For the purposes of this training session, I am going to demonstrate how to effectively utilize accessibility tools, the Action Wizard, Over, which stands for Order, View, Edit, Reorder, Content View / Edit, and lastly, the Tag Tree. To add these tools to Acrobat DC, click on Tools in the top left corner of the screen. A list of many tools will appear in front of you. To add a tool to your Acrobat DC, simply click Add under the icon of your desired tool. The tool should then appear in the menu to the right of your document viewer. Accessibility tool. This tool allows us to tag a document, run an accessibility check, set alt text, identify the reading order of a PDF, and it provides an accessibility report for your document. Edit PDF. This tool allows us to alter text when the need arises. You can use it to change specific lines of text, add links to the document, crop your page, add bookmarks, page numbers, and several other additions which you may need to be added to your document. Enhance scans. This tool allows you to recognize text in a scanned document, as previously mentioned when discussing the OCR tool. You have the option of scanning your current document or multiple documents. Action Wizard. This tool allows us to do several things with assistive steps all the way through. The first option, Make Accessible, allows us to set a proper title to the document. Make sure your document has a clear title such as 2018 First Quarter Business Expenses rather than the original file name, which may read as 2018 _first _quarter _business _expenses with a long string of numbers at the end. This ensures that a user with a screen reader can understand what the contents of the file are without having to enter into it and scan through it with their screen reader. Under Prepare, you will want to click Recognize Text using OCR. The Action Reader will also detect any form fields and ask whether or not you would like to identify those detected sections as form fields. Adobe DC frequently identifies text with blank lines or areas with large spaces as form fields, so you can use this tool to remove those as being identified as such. This tool also allows you to set the tab order of your page. Tab order is generally set by hierarchy, allowing a user to tab through all of the headings and links on your page in order. You can also use this tool to set a reading language, which is very important for screen readers. If, for example, you write a bilingual document, you can set the French text as French. This way, when a screen reader reads the French text out, it will be aware of the language it is reading and will alter its pronunciation accordingly. You can also use this tool to add any alt text to your images, tables, or figures. You can also use the Action Wizard to auto-tag your document. With this tool, Adobe will attempt to determine the proper tags for your document. Like most automatic accessibility features, it is not perfect, but it provides you with a good start. Once your document has been auto-tagged, you can easily go into the tags and make whatever edits may be necessary. Finally, You can launch the full accessibility check within the Action Wizard. This is done by selecting New Action from the top toolbar. From here, select Accessibility from the left window. A drop-down menu will open. Select the Run Accessibility Full Check option. This checker is more thorough than MS Words, but still requires human verification. The following information pertains to the tools within the left-hand sidebar in Adobe DC. Page thumbnails. You can use the page thumbnails option to manually change the page order of your PDF. This is as simple as dragging the thumbnail to your desired location in a similar manner to MS PowerPoint. Bookmarks. Once your tags are added, the Bookmarks menu fills up, allowing you to skip directly to specific headings. You may also add custom bookmarks using this tool. Attachments. If you chose to attach a source document to your PDF, this is where you would access it. Content View. This tool breaks down your document structure page by page. It gives you a breakdown of every individual word in your document, and it can differentiate between tags, figures, and other types of information. Order. This tool shows us how a screen reader would interpret the page. Final accessibility check. After you've completed all the manual steps in ensuring accessibility, it is time to run the automatic scan. In the Action Wizard, you should select the Make Accessible option. Once you click Start, a window will open, prompting you to enter a title. Once this is done, you may click OK. A Recognize Text window should open, asking you for the document language, the output, and the degree of downsampling you would like. Generally, you will want to keep your output on searchable image. Also, do not lower your downsampling below 300 dpi, as it makes your text harder to perceive. When you click OK, you will be asked if your document is a fillable form. Select yes if it is and no if it is not. It will then ask for the reading language. Finally, the document will attempt to locate any figures to add alt text to. Once these steps are complete, a larger window will open, allowing you to edit what your accessibility report will search for. Generally, you will want to select every option in the checklist. Click Start Checking, and a window should open on the sidebar detailing all of the accessibility issues. With this, you can easily make the manual edits necessary to ensure accessibility.